Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable All Presenter and Mr. Hasan Ali. First of all, let us thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, we are able to join in this parallel session, First International Congress on Gifted Young Scientist Education. Secondly, salawat and salam also delivered to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness into the brightness. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about religion, moral, and value education. Now I will read one by one to agenda today that are the first session is opening, the second session is introduction, the third session is presentation time, and next question and answer session, and next session is closing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we show our presentation, let me introduce our team. I am Budiono Saputro as moderator, Nurul Azizah as the first presenter, Saiful Anam as the second presenter, Muhammad Muizzuddin as the third presenter. Ladies and gentlemen, and now let's open our meeting by saying Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. The next agenda is presentation session for the first presenter. Please welcome Nurul Azizah. Please present your article for 15 minutes. The time is yours.
Okay. I vote for this. Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon for everyone. Okay, my name is Nurul Azizah and my partner Muhammad Armoyo. We from University Ibrahim Situbondo, East Java, Indonesia. And my paper in this title, The Octopus Like Power of Pesantren Dynasty in the Dynamic of Local Politics. The background or introduction in this paper is the involvement of Pesantren dynasty in developing powerful politics is a new phenomenon in Indonesia. And the dominancy of Pesantren dynasty in local election and dynamic local politics is considered hinder in process of democracy and enable to development new human resources. And the next, the mighty octopus in construction more prominent political networking based in kinship. Politicians in this power network use their popular family names as the vehicle to get power. The family connection provides insignificant benefit because it gives us higher probability in winning the election. And the methodology research, my article, the data used in this study is qualitative research. And one the key to correct observation in interview and document data. The interview to the influence local figure as local elite pesantren of Darul Ulum Jombang, East Java. Politician from the fraksi of Partai Kebangkitan Bangsa, Kebangkitan Bangsa Party, PKB, the representative of the incumbent family. That is under the consideration that he have a sufficient perspective and they are representative of the community in which the practice of political is going on interview run at the Jombang Regency and Surabaya. Documentation is used to get information on the process of the data collection through interview and observation, analysis, description, and interpretative. Result and discussion. The power of Pesantren dynasty in the local politics is the building of political dynasty network at Jombang Regency. Start from the election Munjida Wahab as a Jombang Regent in the period 2018 until 2023. Determining factor of Pesantren dynasty domination in the dynamic of local politics. And the next, domination of the Pesantren dynasty in the local politics effective to process of democracy. And at Pesantren dynasty building octopus like of power. Dynasty politic that occur in the Jombang are evidently building the power network as her son and daughter by initialing the big name of their mother and the regent of Jombang and initialing the election area where their mother serves as a regional hub. Social, economic, political capital are the fin of local politics. There are as local three capital that become the main base on become the athlete in local politics, namely social capital, economic capital, and the last political capital to be able to gain power. And the tradition of the Pesantren dynamic in the Pesantren dynasty, power influencing the power process of democracy in local politics. This is a table for family relation between mother, daughter, son-in-law. Have the name Munjida Wahab, his mother. Position now is region in Jombang, East Java, Indonesia, supporting party PPP, Partai Persatuan Pembangunan, election zona in Jombang, Jawa Timur, East Java. And have Ahmad Silahuddin, his son from Munjida Wahab, is no position member of DPRD 2019 until 2024. The same supporting party, PPP, election zona Jombang and Mojokerto City. And then have Emma Umiyatul Husna, his daughter from Munjida Wahab. He is member or senator in DPR MPR RI period 2019 until 2024. The same supporting party from Partai Persatuan Pembangunan, like in city in Jombang and Mojokerto. And the last, I have Muhammad Farid Al-Farizi. He is son-in-law. Now is member or senator, legislator in Jombang, Jombang Kabupaten. Period 2019 until 2024, the same supporting party, Partai Persatuan Pembangunan in Jombang zona election. On the table above, the name Haja Munjida Wahab become evidence. She is strong influence for the election her son, her daughter and son-in-law to be a legislative member from the level of DPRD, from the level legislative, regency level, legislative of provinsi, is Java up to legislative in center Jakarta, DPR, MPR RI. And the last is conclusion. This paper reveals several important findings relation to octopus-like of power. The first, the octopus of the pesantren design is an attempt to privilege power. Employing a family connection provide great benefit in the nomination, election, legislative. Whereas informal connection provide benefit for candidates who are relatively less qualification, so they can take advantage to the big name of pesantren, the family. And the secondly, there is less three main capital to become the main arteries in local politics, namely social capital, economic capital, and then political capital to again power the greater to social capital owned by a candidate. Then the economic capital is relatively small, low cost, very very low. But if social and political capital are not strong, then economic capital become determinant in the process of finding for voter. And the three, the use of power for personal and organization well-being, power octopus in local politics has weakened the process of democracy in Indonesia. Okay, this one my presentation for this moment. Okay, thank you for your listening my presentation and thank you so much. Time is your Prof. Budiono.
Okay, thank you very much, Mrs. Nurul Azizah. And next presenter, welcome to Saiful Anam. And time is yours for 15 minutes.
Can you stop your share screen, Miss Nurul Azizah?
Oh,
can you stop?
Miss Nurul Azizah?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Please
sorry.
stop your
Okay.
slide. Yes.
Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Waalaikumsalam.
afternoon for everyone, especially for Prof. Budiono Saputro, the moderator of this event, International Congress on Gifted Young Scientists. And now I will present about my title, about my title. Several days ago, I have recorded my presentation, so I know. So in this time, I will play the record of my presentation. But before I play the video presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Saiful Anam, and I'm from Institut Keislaman Abdullah Fakih Gresik, East Java. So this my friend is Ahmad Zainuri from Institut Keislaman Abdullah Fakih also. 2 minutes. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you before I say to the comment of this Congress, especially for of Hasan Zaitun to give me such an extraordinary opportunity. I hope that in the next event, I can always join both journal publication activities or the next conference. And these opportunities, I will present about Living Quran curriculum development for gifted students in primary school. I'm from Institut Keislaman Abdul Fakih dari Indonesia. Nama saya Saiful Anam. We know development of the curriculum is intended to combine the academic discipline as material to achieve the learning in accordance with the purpose of knowledge-based learning, especially for gifted students in primary school. Gifted students in primary school have a variety of backgrounds. In this study focus on developing the curriculum that the primary school offers. This school is an antical school in Indonesia of uniqueness that must be known by the world of education product, especially in international perspective, namely the development of Living Quran curriculum. We know the gifted students have several characteristics, namely the first, focus on learning, have characteristics, different way of learning, understand and use a lot of vocabulary, have a strong memory, love to read, have high seriously, have high self-confidence, are creative and smart. From these characteristics in this school, we make research, and this research use qualitative approach. Data collection technique were carried out using interview, documentation, and observation of several informants, namely 2 teachers, 20 gifted students, and 5 parents. The data analysis used in this research is 3 steps, namely data reduction, data display, and conclusion. From this research, we found the result of this research. The result of this study indicate that the contraction using the Living Quran curriculum is integrated surface for students with the approach of Islamic religion studies. For example, this theory, the curriculum of Living Quran is an interpretation toward the worship law that has focused toward the worship of Maghdah, prayer, fasting, zakat, and hajj, and worship of ghair Maghdah such as mu'amalah. The impact of gifted student. Student operates of social action in society to be able to have sympathy and empathy for the poor man context. In this situation, the child applied the contextual approach. And the second, we know about the theory of heart. In this opportunity, we observation about the student is like this table. The interaction focus field, which are of interaction will be our focus. We have to choose this. The theory is in the form of approach that is conducted towards the learning of the student to be able to in finding and performing the way and their application of heart entirely. Signification concept is what are the big idea? What do we want to our students to written for years into the future? Heart is considered as approximately filter between Muslim with reflecting the human equality in the sight of Allah. Many more of child give the question. The question from this material is, what kind of heart that is acceptable by Allah? Now, from the informant, there are 20 informant I observation. There are 50 students from the number of informants include that the development of the living Quran curriculum in the learning process of gifted students is able to make students gifted activity participate in the learning interaction in accordance with the teaching of the Quran. You can look the picture. The one picture in my left hand is many child plan of from the material in Al-Quran, and the right hand there are two persons look for about how to plan this for plant this tree. From both of the picture, implementation of the interpretation of the living Quran curriculum is to allow plant to be preserved so that nature is preserved. And the tree picture. This Islamic Religious Junior Assembly reception. In assembly reception class, recite the theme of one from the knowing good of his attributes, namely the oneness of Allah by following the rule in applying the dimension of integrity. Many students can apply the material in Holy Quran to every day, to daily activity. So in this conclusion, we can give the regarding to the investigation to what we study. The development of integrated curriculum with from living Quran curriculum in Cikal School in considered the process in activating Al-Quran everyday life, began from conductive learning in the classroom. And I will give the suggest for all of person. From this finding, it's important for educational developer to know that gifted student need special attention so that there is a talent can be channeled properly. That's all for me about the presentation about my article. I do hope this article can give some finding for all. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for Mr. Saiful Anam. And next presenter is Mr. Muhammad Muizzuddin. Time is yours, and you present your article for 15 minutes, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This my team. First is me and Islamic University of Malang. The second team is my teacher, Prof. I will describe I will about the model of sorry, my connection is very unstable. Okay. Today I will explain my research. The theme is the research is character and multicultural education. multicultural education model for gifted students. The focus is related to model of cultivation multicultural Islamic education value in gifted students. And this I will analyze this my research. To analyze even by collecting data through the interview technique, observation documentation, audio, visual, and digital material, and narrative in form of quality descriptive, script interpretive. The result of our research found that the character and the result of our research that the character and multiple education model for gifted students use the Tarbiyah and Ta'lim model use this picture. And the approach of this model is both emotional approach, rational and functional approach, situation approach, exemplary approach, and the strategy of this model is about habituation and loving good and moral knowing, and the what and the about reading the yellow book, good example by integration involved in this urban scoping, mutual sharing, red, aurat, and good upload. Conclusion this research is the research Islamic education in pesantren is carried out systematically, logically, and repeatedly. Systematic in the arrangement of activity and discipline of santri in pesantren, logical in terms of providing theory and field practice, and the success in this study are the character and multicultural education model is effectively developed global education. Thank you very much. Sorry about my presentation is very bad, but because of my data and other is very bad. Thank you. I'm sorry to Mr. Budiono. I hope can join my friend, my Sefil Anam, and Ms. Aziza. Thank you very much.
Okay, finish, Mr. Muhammad. Okay, thank you for all presenter. Well, and now we are come to the question and answer session. If any question, please raise your hand and don't forget to mention your name. Any question? For Mrs. Nurul Azia or Mr. Saiful Anam and Mr. Muhammad Muisyuddin, if you any question, please you raise your hand and mention your name. Nothing? Oh yeah, Mr. Saiful, please.
Okay, thank you for your time, Prof. Budiono. I will ask about the first presentation, Ms. Nurul Aziza. Before asked, I haven't know about you because if I read you from Ibrahimi Situbondo, just say nice to meet you from this event. Okay, my question is, your research have met in Jombang city, right? About
Yeah,
the
right.
political in pesantren. So, what is the effect from political pesantren to the society in 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 Jombang, especially for santri in Islamic religious? What is the effect from political pesantren for the society in Jombang City, especially for santri in Islamic boarding school? About this research. Okay, thank you.
Mrs. Nurul, question from Mr. Saiful. What is the effect political pesantren to society in Jombang?
Okay. Okay, thank you for your question, Mr. Saiful Anam. Okay. Okay, thank you for your question, Mr. Saiful Anam. Wonderful, nice to meet you too in this moment. Yes, right, I'm from Ibrahimi, like you in East Java. My research in Jombang for political dynasty in pesantren, especially Ibu Munjidah Wahab. She is a son from Wahab Hasbullah. Wahab Hasbullah, he is elite from Nahdlatul Ulama in Indonesia. What the effect to society in Jombang? Yeah, biggest the effect in Jombang, maybe democratisasi in laws, maybe have a poor society, have maybe negative effect, have corruption, and corruption the power from a region, like us use facility from pemerintahan kabupaten Pemkab from East Java to the meaning from to son and the doctor. Use high facility from government from Pemkab Jombang to the meaning for doctor and for son for election legislative 2019 before. Okay, how Saiful Anam do you
Satisfied?
yes?
Satisfied.
Do you accept for my argumentation?
Okay. I little know about the Jombang city because my homestay in Bojonegoro, especially Bojonegoro, near from Kapuh. Kapuh is Jombang city lah, Kabupaten Jombang. Kapuh one of the village from Jombang, but in the Kapuh, many poor men still less is like perhatian from government. Okay, attention from government. Because my village near from Kabuh, and Kabuh one of village from Jombang.
Close.
So it's close from Jombang.
Oh.
So many poor men less attention from government. I see the local, the political pesantren from Jombang, especially from Tambak Beras, like Tambak Beras, right? Tambak Beras,
Yeah, right.
from Tambak Beras. So it's less. Do you look for about the kebijakan from this
Wise
government?
Yeah.
Okay.
system.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, I'm accept for your opinion. Yeah, many political dynasty in pesantren, the less of democracy, not support from a good government, like good public management, like just for the big power family, not qualification, not professionally. Maybe next time have education, human resources from professionally in government, from pesantren. Maybe my recommendation, maybe next time, maybe any elite from pondok pesantren.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Maybe you can collaboration from bahasa.
Okay.
Or bahasa Jawa.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Okay,
and
thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Saiful Anam. If any question, please you raise your hand and mention your name.
Can I ask any more, Prof?
Yes, please.
To Mr. Muiz.
Yes.
I want to ask about Mr. Muiz.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I know you from Malang, so I ask about your research.
Yes.
Your research is the model of education, character education. So I asked about what in your boarding school, especially for development to be a good man for santri.
Saya masuk soalnya akan di pesantren itu. Tapi anunya ke politik.
Repeat again the answer because connection is very bad.
Okay. I
Or chat.
Okay, I will ask about your result of your research. Your research is the title of model.
Yes.
Character education, especially for multiculturalism education. So, what the model in your Islamic boarding school? How to make a good santri from your Islamic boarding school?
Mr. Muhammad Muizuddin?
Yes, Prof.
Okay. Please you answer from question Mr. Saiful Anam about your model.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, yes. Thank you, my Mr. Saiful Anam. In my research, I have a model, TNT model. This new model about education in pesantren. This model about taklim and tarbiyah. Tarbiyah is education, taklim is education. There is near about
this model have for this model is model applied in pesantren
Mr. Muez,
Yes.
Your model implemented in pesantren?
Yes,
Effective
implemented
in pesantren? Effective no or no?
see this in pesantren is very effective, and the output of this model it's ukhuwah Muhammadiyah, value of ukhuwah Muhammadiyah. This is a brotherhood of a persaudaraan antar santri. This in this output of this in this model of education in pesantren.
Okay, Mr. Saiful Anam.
Yes, sir. Yes, Prof.
His model is implemented and adapted
I'm sorry.
in his pesantren. Okay, any question, Mr. Anam?
I see that enough. I see enough.
Okay, enough. Mrs. Nurul, any question?
Please,
Your unmute. Unmute. Your mic.
your phone. Microphone.
Yeah.
All everything for your opinion, I am okay. All is okay, all everything.
Yes.
And good for Mr. Moderator.
Okay, thank you very much.
Especially my Mr. Saiful Anam.
Yeah. from Gresik.
From
Yes.
Gresik,
Yes.
Muhammad Muizuddin.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm from Lamongan.
Oh, you from Lamongan. Your promoter, Professor Haris, maybe.
Gresik and
Your
study in
promoter?
Malang.
Oh, your study in Malang.
Okay, any question or enough in this session?
Enough. I see
Enough,
enough.
Prof.
Okay, thank you. Your presentation, and now, ladies and gentlemen, finally we are come to the last agenda. We would like to say thank for presenter all of the audience for active participation. Hopefully, the presentation will give benefit for us. Thank you your attention. See you later. And finally, I hope we meet in Lamongan or Gresik ya. Sama Bojonegoro ya Bu Nurul?
Situbondo.
Oh, Situbondo. Situbondo. Okay, thank you very much. And next, Mr. Hasan, this is the end presentation, and the session is complete. And finally, I am moderator, and thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Budiono. You become moderator and collaboration with discussion maybe.
Okay, thank you. See you again. See you later.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye. Bro?
Can I leave the room?
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Have a good day.
Hello, good day all. Hasan, you can video maybe? I cannot look your face. Maybe
Yes, one second.
Open your video. Yeah.
Open your, yeah.
Hello,
Is
Mr.
it that?
You can,
Hello,
you can
sir.
picture together. Picture together maybe.
Okay.
Saiful Anam, Saiful Anam.
Great.
Take picture together.
Yes.
Where? Saiful Anam? Mr.
Saiful
Saiful
Anam is left.
Oh, live. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Mr.
Madam.
Hassan.
Thank you.
Good luck, good luck.
Yeah,
See you later.
okay.